Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I have a tutorial about showing and hiding WordPress menu items, the navigation items, on different devices. So you may want a menu item to show on desktop and not on phone, or to show on phone and not on desktop, something like that. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to, basically use a couple of CSS snippets to control that. It's really easy. Let's take a look. As always, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the link in the description. That'll take you to all of the snippets and a couple of other things like that, like screenshots or whatever. All right, so basically we're making our menu items responsive. And the goal here is to have just one menu item. Let me show you here. So if, I'm gonna go to my menus area of my demo site here. So like in here, each of these are menu items. So my goal is to have maybe one of these shown on, just on desktop or just on tablet or just on phone, or hide, I should say, hide or show, whatever. And we can do that using these same items. So sometimes you have like a secondary menu on desktop. Let's just say, for example, you have a main menu. It's like home and about, services, contact. But then you might have a secondary menu with something else, like your account or your cart, or you know what I mean, like if you have WooCommerce, you might want those items to actually show up in just one menu on your phone, or something like that. In this case, you could add them all to the menu and then just hide them on desktop. So I'm sure there's a bunch of use cases. I didn't necessarily sit down and think of a lot of use cases. I just know this is something that is helpful from time to time that I've faced. So yeah, here we go. Start by adding, or actually just enabling, the CSS classes in here. So let me just show you that. Screen options at the top right corner here gives you those things. So here you can see that CSS classes is checked. So when that's checked, down in each of these, you can see this input field. So if I turn that off, it's not there anymore. See that? There we go. So we have this input field to put a class in there. So that is the first step. Back to the tutorial here, just basically enabling those classes, because in this step, we're gonna actually add a class. Now in this tutorial, I just have 3. So we're calling the PA menu, hide desktop, hide tablet, and hide phone. Those are the 3 that we're gonna use as just examples. So I'm gonna just start copying here. I'm gonna copy that first one. You can go ahead and grab that. Go into your website, into this here, like let's say, in fact, let me switch menus here. I have one. Here we go. So in this example, I actually already have them in here. So I have show all, and then we're going to hide desktop, hide tablet, and hide phone. So in the classes here, you can see PA menu hide desktop, PA menu hide tablet, and PA menu hide phone. So again, it's hiding on those. So you have to think of the opposite, where it's showing, right? If it's hiding on phone, well then it's still showing desktop and tablet, right? If it's hiding on desktop, it's still showing on phone and tablet. All right, so there we go. Add those classes in there, and now we have to match them up with a CSS snippet. And I have these down below here. So we'll just go ahead and copy these. I have an example right here set up. So in this example, I have a menu. Now I have a menu module here, and these get really long because I was trying to be descriptive and show all, and then hide on desktop, show tablet phone, hide tablet, show desktop phone, that kind of thing. So this is just a menu module. Now I don't actually have to do anything in that menu module. Okay, I've selected the menu, this particular menu, but we don't need to add a class or anything in the menu module. That's fine, because we're just targeting the menu item specifically, right? Not the module, the item specifically. All right, so what I'm going to use here is my Chrome extension, user CSS, it's called. So I'm just going to paste here. Now that one there is a media query. It's code that's saying display none. So PA menu hide desktop, this one here, it's saying display none, and it's between media all and min width 981. So any screen that's higher than the min width. So any screen 981 and higher, that thing's going to be hidden. So what I'll do, I'll go back here and copy all of them in here. Again, you can see this one's min width 768 and max width 980. So the tablet size in Divi, it's going to display none in that tablet size. Again, I'll copy this one. So right there, again, this one's max width 768. And so we're using the phone one and displaying none on phone. So again, we're targeting that size and we're using that class. The class name is just descriptive. That's all it is. You could use any class, but I'm trying to be as descriptive as I can. I'm just realizing that I have this code in here and it's not hide desktop. So I think I need to add important. So I'm going to update the code before I release this, but right there you go. There it hid the one. All right, I'm going to close this and I'll inspect so you can see it different views here. So watch what happens. Okay, well here I'm going to be in a tablet size here. So watch what's in here. So I have the one that says hide tablet is missing. So we have the ones that show tablet and show tablet, right? Now I'm going to go down smaller. Okay, I have to jump down here. Notice here, show phone and hide tablets back and hide phone is missing, okay? So these are all menu items, and then when I go back to like desktop size, we have hide tablet and phone showing, but hide desktop is hidden, okay? That's how it works, all right? So that's literally it. You can choose, based on the class, and again, each snippet connects to a class and has the media query. All right, so if that sounds confusing to you doing this tutorial, I want to show you something. We have a plugin called Divi Responsive Helper. It's one of the best-selling plugins in the Divi world. All right, so I'm going to show you something. Go in here, first of all, into your settings. So if you have the plugin installed, you'd have this menu, and then we'd have a menu item. All right, and then right here, show and hide menu items. When this setting is enabled in our settings, and then you save it and all that, and you go over to menus, kind of like where we were showing you. Now watch this. We've added new settings here. So check it out. Instead of doing the classes and the snippets and getting that all lined up, this here, desktop menu item, I can say hide on phone or hide on tablet, just like that, with a check mark. See that? I could say hide on desktop. Whatever you want to do, hide on tablet, right? These little check marks are added, again, by our plugin. That makes it really easy. So if you're looking for easy, yeah, there you go. Have a link to it here in the tutorial. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you find that useful. I know I've used this several times on different sites, but yeah, hopefully you also can put it to good use. If you like this kind of tutorial, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, because that's what you get here on YouTube. We release tutorials like this every single Tuesday. So that's what you get when you're subscribed here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy that, and be sure to leave a comment if you did. Yeah, we'll see you all in our next video.